down. So let's move into the some LinkedIn. So I mean, it's a profession. Is you whether you have heard about this, and I believe you need to know about the LinkedIn. Okay, so LinkedIn is really a professional account where you can connect with the big CEO, director, or mainly with the recruiters, which will really help you to get a job. So that's most important, I believe, over there, because we are here to search, we are here to get a job. So, and we are here to learn about how to search a job by your own. So that's my motive over here. So you should get prepared once you get pass out from the college. So you should be able to find out your job or from right now. So let me first of all show you my LinkedIn account. So how to optimize, if you have a LinkedIn account, so I will showcase you how to optimize it and how to apply a job through a LinkedIn. I will show you right now. So just pay attention. This is a crucial part where you have to focus on, and where you will be, I mean if you I mean you will be get shortlisted through this also. So writing some, writing a resume and adding your LinkedIn the link. So that will really, the interviewer will be happy to see your profile, and he will call you. So in many of the freshers, I when I started, and when we all started, we don't have any knowledge about, we need to add this LinkedIn link into our resume copy. And also, which I like to add, the GitHub account. Who are all some software developers in this panel or attendees, they need to have a GitHub account. So because I used to maintain my GitHub account, because where I have some project, develop my some projects. So where they can just click on that link and they can visit. So probably once you have GitHub account and LinkedIn account, they will probably definitely you're getting shortlisted. The chances will be more. Okay, the probability of getting shortlisted will be, it will be more comparison to the other candidates available in the market. Because every year, due to the statistics, I can see every year 15 lakh engineers are getting pass out. So out of that, around 2 to 3 lakhs, really are doing their job. They get a job, probably I can say that. And others are many of them, but right now the situation is changing. Now they are creating their own jobs, because now they are job creators, because they are starting their own business. Okay. So well, the Rajan said, you have to work on the startup. So because but the main part is, once you start working on the projects, once you understand the life cycle of the company, so it will really, this knowledge will really help you to start your startup in third year or fourth year. I don't believe in this. If you get a 4-year degree, but after the working in the company, you will be able to start your business. But definitely, but need to add up that Rajan have definitely said that you need to understand the company. It's all about the company. If you don't get any exposure when you have not worked in an internship, I don't believe, you'll be able to start your startup business. So try to get more internships, try to work for different companies without getting paid off. Okay. So just work it and gain some experience, and just try to implement your startup, start connecting with the many people on this LinkedIn. So that's why I'm here to share you some more about this LinkedIn, where you can connect with potential recruiters and potential the young minds available on this LinkedIn. So let's see. So which will help you to start your own business, and where you can reach out to the other professional potential the director and CEOs, where you can share your ideas, and you can get some fundings from that if they like your idea. So this is all about, really, it's happening right now. So I wanted to share you. So let's move into the LinkedIn. Let me share my screen once again. Uh, mm. So guys, can you see my LinkedIn? I hope.
Not yet, Nikhil.
Yeah, let me check. Now it's
Yeah,
visible.
yeah, yeah.
Okay, okay. Thank
Hmm.
you, ma'am. So, see, as this is the, I mean, the profile picture you keep, let's keep it in the professional. So whether your face should be visible, it should not be the selfie pic. Okay. So this is my the current profile which we need to hide, write your headings, headline. I mean, whatever, if you're a student, just write in the place of data analyst, write a student, and what you're passionate about, just write it over there. So the main recruiters or main the hiring, whatever, who and all are doing their hiring, so they will just connect with you through this headline. Because I will show you the search string, how, I mean, you will get into the search string when they type just data analyst, or when they just type your data scientist, or when you will get into that the shortlisted, I mean shortlisted in this the algorithm of this on the LinkedIn page. So where you will be getting attracted by the recruiters or attracted by the directors or the CEO. So and try to create some connections without I mean get some do some connections with the directors or CEO, probably with the recruiters first. So that will really help you to get in connect with the get some internship exposure. Try to get in connect with the recruiters with the help of the CEO, directors. Get in connect with get connect with those peoples, so you will be able to get some opportunity. But before that, just build up your profile, this LinkedIn profile. So which should help you, I mean, which another which app, because if I'm reviewing your profile, so I will visit your profile and I can see what are the skill sets this person have, what he can do for me, what are the projects he have done. So that will really attract any person or any recruiter or CEO or director. So this, before you start, I mean, once you have made your resume copy, just run into the LinkedIn, build up your LinkedIn profile. Okay. So writing your first section, which is a headline. You can let me just highlight my this is a on this headline, just data analyst, write your student and write what you're passionate about, write it over there. Anything what you feel, I mean, it's up to you. And write your current location, where you at your if you're a student at Parallel University, right over here. And you are electronics engineer, you can write it down your headlines over here in this section, in your below the name section. And you can write over your location, where you're currently based. You don't write, I mean, if you're in Baroda, I mean, and if you're in Baroda and you're writing you're based in somewhere else, so that will really be a bad impression. Okay. so so this is some insights, I mean, which is created by LinkedIn. You can see who have viewed your one, I mean, 141 people have viewed my profile. 300 post views I have commented, 45 search appearance I have given. So this is all. You can see the best I have also received. Once your profile is completed, I mean, you can see on your dashboard on the right side, all star. So I am just all my resumes, I mean, my LinkedIn is good to go. I mean, anyone who will visit, they will definitely visit and they will check my profile and they will definitely will call me. This is because the all star you have achieved. So you need to just after building your all your LinkedIn, I mean, building all the section, just come to the dashboard section and check whether you have received the all star or not. Next comes about section. Okay. So which is really important. I mean, many freshers don't write at the about section, but I would request you to write the about sections. So I mean, which will really help the recruiters or whether the hiring up authority to understand your profile. What actually, if you are a student, just write it down, what are the projects you have worked and what projects were recognized by the professors, and how you have worked in the team. Just write out I mean, the summary of your not about your where you're coming from and all. Just write it down, your experiences, your projects, whatever you have done, and what are the skill set you have. So you can write down this way. Okay. So this will really help to understand any other hiring authority. this is something the featured section. I mean, this is also, I believe, if you write it down, I mean, if you add some, I mean, if you have created some projects and you have uploaded on some GitHub accounts, and you have uploaded on, I can say on some, you have created some reports. So just showcase to the I mean, showcase to the people, showcase to the recruiter, so they can understand. I mean, what are the projects you have worked on, what are the skill set you hold. So that, I mean, anything, whatever the, I mean, suppose in the example, if I tell you, you are doing your bachelor's, and if the college don't provide you a degree, and so I mean, is there any valid that, I mean, you are a, I mean, you are an engineer, or you, I mean, where, I mean, if someone asks you, you're an engineer, just show me your certificate. So I mean, you have to showcase something. So whatever the work you are doing, just showcase to the community, just showcase to the people, I mean, to the LinkedIn people, and throughout your, you can say, your members who are present on the LinkedIn. Try to post or try to add in this section, which is a featured one, where you can write your post, whatever you have done. So, and write down some tags over there, recruiters. So some many writing a tags like recruiter, recruiter, or CEO, or whatever your content is, whatever your content is related to. Just write the tags over there. Suppose you have created some dashboards, write the write attach that image and write some brief about that, and at the end of that, write some tags that many, it will reach to many of the community, like who are involved in analytics, who are involved in machine learning. So write the tags, so it will reach to many of the community. So that will really help you, that this guy have some really the skill set, and many of them will visit your profile. And once they visit your profile, you will definitely be called for a telephonic interview. Definitely, I have seen, and I have just have a some experience of that. So this is a post you can do from over here. And second is articles. So showing some articles, like article in terms of, suppose I have created my project of last final year, and I have some, see, I have attached over here. Just a sec. Yeah, this one, our research project, which is a final year project, which I have done with my colleagues. So I have attached over here, it's not a full, it's all about the abstract common architecture and the theory section, and also some the unique what I have done over here. So it will be consist of around 4 or 5 pages, so which will help the other to understand that what the research project you have worked on, and what was your application of that. So you can add over here, and you can get, I mean, you will get a extra, I mean, you will be some special over, I mean, if you add this section in your this research project, and creating, writing some blogs, okay, on, I have written the sales report blogs. So whatever I have created with the help of this um, Power BI, which is a sales report, you can see the insights I have created. So I mean, if you add this section, I mean, because it will help many of the recruiters to understand, I mean, what the skill set you, what your skill set you understand, what the skill set you have. So main motto is that, I mean, you should have a LinkedIn profile, and you should have this all the sections. We should have, you should build up your LinkedIn profile before you apply your jobs and all. Because any many of the people are, many of the hiring authorities are seeing this LinkedIn profile, because they want to understand that you are really something, I mean, you're helping the community or not. You're creating some uh, you're getting some knowledge or not, or you're getting how much, I mean, how much you are more active on the LinkedIn. So they can understand that you know some, you know about the market, you know about the company. So that will really help. Okay. So this is all. I have recently have started my channel as career analyst trainer, for mainly the purpose to the helping the students, to the freshers, bachelors, and also for the students who have the pass out, and who are some professional. So I've started recently. I've started, so which will help the community, which will help the other professionals to understand what's the market scenario is. So this is something, the extra curricular activities, you, whatever the hackathons you have attended, or you have gained some, suppose if you have gained any first prize, just include that photo or JPG format and attach over here. That's something, because here in this LinkedIn you are selling yourself, because for getting a job you need to sell yourself. Then only you will get then only you will get shortlisted, or then only you will get your first job. So without selling, no one will hire you. Okay. So this is thing you need to understand. Feature section, this is activity, I mean the LinkedIn which holds, if you comment whatever you do, so it will help, it will track all the activity. This is the experience section. I mean, I believe you are a student, then probably you should write your internship experience over there, instead of writing any, if you have done any internship, write it over here. And try to if you are not writing in the about section, try to add the points over here in this section. Okay. So, so see, I have got the job from Mid to Easy as an internship. So I was able to get the job from this LinkedIn. So it really helps all this. So this is a flip over technology. Okay. So you in the in experience section, you write your internship experience. Okay. That will really help any recruiter to understand, and what are the whatever the projects you have done or day-to-day responsibilities while working with that company, try to include over in this section below this company name. So that will also understand that you have done some job, and you have created some really good over there. Good the whatever the practical knowledge you have gained over there. Is this is something, the education section. As usual, you write in your resume copy, so you can write your bachelor's degree and you have completed in that. And another is, I have done some post graduation, as I said, I have included that. If you have or any, I mean any license that's and certification, try to include on that, because I got I got a license of Internet of Things, so I have included on that. And so there are many certifications you can add, but write a relevant one, which you have some, really you have got some good over there, the outstanding performance. And this is a skills and endorsement, which is also required, but many of them miss this part, endorsement part. uh, Once you, I mean once you complete your project, try to get endorsement from your professor, so which will also help the hiring authority to understand that this guy is really a teamwork, this guy is proficient with this skill. So this skills and endorsement will be a boost point, I can say, out of this things what I've discussed. So skill and endorsement will put you in ideal situation to that understand that this guy is really a good, we should hire him, and because he has been recognized by the professor. Okay. So this is about the LinkedIn which you can build up. Okay. So we have learned how to make a LinkedIn profile. So it's time to we have prepared your resume, you have prepared your LinkedIn profile. Try to uh, now gets a hands-on training to how to search a jobs and how to apply from there. Okay. I believe many of the attendees have learned about the Boolean. So the Boolean which comes in digital electronics, okay, digital circuits. So we are going to use some Boolean over there. Yeah, so you can just search for your job, and you can apply it through here. Some knowledge about, I mean mainly the Booleans which we'll be using over here. It's and or. Okay. So so you can just get the job according to that, or you can get the job application according to that, so you can apply over here. So I will be using, let's, yeah, I'm going with EC. So let's EC, then I will go some, let's see, EC, then electronics. Okay. Just writing technician or engineer. Okay. So this is a Boolean I have used. City, I will take whatever the city you're looking for. Suppose I'm looking in Bangalore, automatically it will search. So this is the scenario, you will see the technician electrical in Bangalore. What are the how many jobs are available? There are 10 results. Okay, within the 40 miles. This is how many, I mean you can also choose your job according to your preference, like if you are open for more than 100 miles, just or you see wanna see or seeing something in the exact location, click on that. If you're looking for 100 miles, 160 miles, so I mean you have all freedom to select your, I mean, the job within your surrounding area, within according to your according to your family. I mean, according to your interest. You want a job in 40 kilometer, you want a job in 80 kilometer. It's up to you. So you can just need to. I'm selecting 25 miles. I will see the results. Still, it is 10 results. So you can see, I mean, you have to also see the most important thing when this job was posted. So you can see it was posted 1 month ago, and how many people applied? 5 applicants have applied. So still you can apply, you can go in and apply to this job before, but we need to see really this job is a full time, or whether it's a contract type, or what are the core duties, what specific, what requirements are there, and what skill set they are looking for. Okay, so you have to see over here who is a recruiter. Okay, just read all the details. Okay, because applying blindly is something, I mean, some very bad practice. I believe in this. So Matt Macnold, so try to understand, I mean, try to google this company, or you can just, if you don't want to google, you can just click over here and you can see the what's the company it is and what the company profile is before you apply. So go in about section. Okay, I mean, LinkedIn is really very smart. I mean, you can see this company is mainly is civil engineering, which is based in Quiet London. The main headquarter is based in London. So they have every company have their own you can say portfolio, or the everything on the LinkedIn, because also they have other website, but they don't know that many people visit the LinkedIn, so they used to maintain the profile on LinkedIn. So many the jobs seekers can directly apply from their platform, from this LinkedIn. So overview, you can see the company, what the company section is. If you don't understand something from overview, no problem, just see what industry domain is. The industry's domain is civil engineering, so you can understand that this company is really made for me or not made for me, or so you can understand from here. So you can see, understand the company size, which is more than 10,000 on this LinkedIn. Probably it would be around 20,000. Okay, so it's a private held company. You can understand what their main specialty, or what they offer, um, what the work process, what in what they have, what the company holds, or what the company speciality is. So you can see they do buildings, education. They make a building for this different purpose: oil, gas, transportation, water, and wastewater. Okay, so you can understand from here the about the company. And whatever the last we visited for that job. So from here, without going back, without shifting back to the old page, previous page, so we can also move our button to the post. You can see what are the posts they have done, or you are, I mean, you are more focused on to get a job, so just directly go into the jobs. So see what are the jobs are available, and see there is a business analyst profile. Okay, so you can go over this and you can apply from here. Okay, but applying from here is really good practice, and but you should have your resume copy uploaded over here. I mean, see, I will show you right now. But see, I mean, in this apply section, it will directly will transfer to you the on their page. But it will be a long process. You need to should have your resume copy ready. But there is an opportunity that apply through a LinkedIn. There will be option over here. I will show you that case. So that makes the life easy. I mean, many of them, even I used to see that if the opportunity is really something good, so I used to spend some time and apply through their website. If not, then I used to go through the easy process, which is apply through a LinkedIn. So that is also an option. I will show you. So you can just apply through that. Just a sec. Okay. So see, you can see this job section. This is a commute system, commute. I can say section, how much you can commute and all. It is a date posted. Okay. So just a sec. So you can see the when the job was posted, because if you understand, if the job application was posted 30 days 30 days ago or 30 days, then you can apply for that. If you understand past 24 hours, so I mean that will really help you to apply that this job is really active, and if I apply, then I will get shortlisted. Okay. So this is something. So what I was talking about is apply on LinkedIn, which is easily without visiting their profile. I mean, many of this is all about the company do depends on the company. They wanna keep this this section, this apply from this LinkedIn or apply from their website. So it all depends on the company preference. So you can apply from here, apply on LinkedIn. So I will show you what happened. So your profile will look like this. This pop-up screen will appear, contact information to the Jupiter Consulting for which company you're applying. It will also appear on the top of that page. And if you click on the next, then the resume is my already have uploaded the resume, but I will showcase you how to add the resume. I mean, once you apply through the LinkedIn, apply on LinkedIn directly without, if the company is, I mean, if the company have such asked for apply up, just apply section, apply option, that this if you click on that apply, it will directly go on to the company web page. So you need to apply over there. So it will take hardly, it will take a time, but if, I mean, you have a time, so you can directly you can apply from there. But many of them who are looking for apply through LinkedIn, so you need to add a resume on LinkedIn section. I will show you, I will showcase that right now. If you go to the next, it will ask how many years of analyst experience you have, how many years of e-commerce domain experience you have. According to your preference, just do next, next, and your application will be, you need to select. Okay, just showing you for your purpose. So it will say, will you feel must fill this position urgently, can you start immediately? So you can say yes, review it, and apply. Okay, submit the application. So once you submit the application, then in this apply on LinkedIn, it will shows your profile, I mean your application has been submitted. Okay. So this is how, I mean, you can apply the jobs through over here. Okay. So as a electronics engineer, or as a IT, or as a mechanical engineer, just you need to understand the boolean. So suppose I have shown one boolean, electronics and technician or engineer, but for a particular location. If I do another, it's like for a maintenance technician. Just a sec. Technician or electrician. Okay, still just, what's the problem? Electrician. Let me see, something is wrong. I will change the maintenance. Guys, this skill is really is required. I mean, even the recruiter do as usual the stuff, and they used to search the different profiles who are maintenance technician or maintenance engineer. Let's see. I mean, why it's taking time. So guys, it will take a time. I mean, still it's not searching. I think the location, there would be your internet. Okay, just see. So this search is working. Actually, there was a location issue. So I've changed that location. I made it India. So you can see that there is a shift engineer, there is a maintenance technician jobs. Okay. These are some high profile jobs. Okay. Just showing you for your purpose where you can understand this boolean. But if you have any doubt, we will discuss this in the QA section. Definitely. So we have discussed, we have through this apply, you will visit to the website, but I want to show you that how you can add your resume copy, just so you can directly apply through the LinkedIn. Just a sec. There is a edit section. Okay. Mm-mm. I think while applying to the job, you see, this is something which is from here you can also change your active status. If you're hiring, you're looking for a job, so it will be definitely, if I make changes, it will be shown on my profile page. Like if I'm hiring, see in the profile, the picture will be changed. Just a sec. Something. I mean, it will directly go on the post. So I mean, if I change the section, so here you can also add your own section. I mean, if you wanna write some, you this will be a intro, about, feature, and background. It will be common for anything. But apart from that, you wanna add is your skill set, accomplishment, additional information. You can add over here. There is a more section. Okay, so you wanna share a profile in message. You wanna build a resume. So you can see here is my resume is added. I need to showcase the how to add a resume over here. So you can just upload a resume from your device. Okay, from selecting this. Okay, what you have to do, I'm showing once again. There is open to, where is an add section, and there is the last one is more. You have to click on more, and you need to click on build a resume. So you need to just upload a resume from your device, so you're good to go. Okay, so this is all about the LinkedIn preparation, which is also required. I mean, whether you're a fresher or whether you are experienced, because this will showcase your skill set, because you have to sell yourself. Definitely, I mean, if you're looking for a job. Okay, so don't get me wrong. So this is really is most every recruiter see that you are able to sell yourself, you are able to sell your skills, you can just show your interviewer that you can do this job. You are proficient, or you are, don't say if you don't have a skill set. Definitely tell him, but I can learn it. I can just implement it if you train me on this. I'm definitely sure. So because showcase some, relate your answer with some practical hands-on, which you have done in the past. Suppose you have done the project, research project. So I have done this research project with the help of this, my part of, sorry, share your work. So my work was this. I have completed the reports for this, and I was able to do this job. I was able to complete this project in these days. So I mean, whatever the project you are doing, if you don't showcase the duration, no one will understand that how the project was really big, how the project was really important. So that need to understand by the recruiter, or that need to be understand by the industry people. So you need to showcase your this project section in your resume. I will showcase you the resume, how you to need to wrote it down. But many face training have shown you, but this resume is totally I mean different. But for me, the resume is resume, but you need to add this section, this internship projects and all. Otherwise, if whatever the designs you are doing, I mean, keep on doing, keep on implementing, and try to update your resume copy according to the company requirement, or according to the company, if the company is manufacturing some medical devices. Okay, you need to make according to the changes. Mainly the medical, the more is more, the quality work is involved. Doing some the quality standards, testing the quality, like whether it's a this product is ISO, whether it's this product follows the ISO standard or not. This product has gone through this testing procedures or not. Whether the standard of procedures was written properly or not. Whether the while creating this product, the HACCP, which is a hazardous critical control, which was taken care or not. Whether, well, like if I take an example of the nutrition products, like it's you can say muscle nutrition products, whether this product has been gone through the GMP or not. Good, they have followed the good manufacturing practices or not. So which is all required. I mean, you need to understand that. Okay, so understand the company background and try to make the changes to your resume according to their needs, and whatever the skill set you have. And but definitely showcase your projects and internship. So I mean, if you have any doubt, so I will definitely I mean, after this I will definitely answer all your questions related to the boolean or related to the LinkedIn, which is, I mean, the most important I feel is the LinkedIn and the resume copy, which will help you to land your job. So that I have seen and that I have been observing since, so working with a different clients or different working with any talent, any other company. So just a sec, let me see what